Hi, my name is Alistair. This is a short video on libpwrm, my project for the Sustainable Blockchain Summit Boston Hackathon. libpwrm is an embeddable library, CLI app, and daemon for real-time decentralized measuring and reporting on CPU and GPU hardware electricity consumption and CO2 emissions by blockchain nodes without requiring specialized hardware power meters. libpwrm provides software-based continuous monitoring of different hardware power consumption interfaces and automatic reporting of the measurement data and estimated emissions to the CO2 storage data network. This is just a brief demo of libpwrm showing the CLI daemon running and reporting emissions data and power consumption to CO2 storage. So the motivation for developing this was currently energy consumption and emissions reporting that's collected by Filecoin Green has to be done by a human. A human has to log into the Filecoin Green portal and upload the relevant data. It requires blockchain operators to have to integrate new hardware, things like hardware power meters, and processes, the process for collecting the data into their operations. And of course, this will slow adoption and onboarding of Filecoin Green. Now, this data collection process will always be historical data, and it's always going to lag behind the real-time operations of the blockchain nodes. And this means that if we want to estimate the total blockchain energy consumption, this will always only be based on the model estimates. It's not currently isn't going to be based on real actual measurement data coming from the blockchain nodes. Okay, so of course, Filecoin Green is just the initiative to measure the environmental impacts of Filecoin and try to drive these to zero by building having this infrastructure and building these verifiable claims. So the objectives of libpwrm are to use modern GPU and CPU power monitoring interfaces, things like RAPL, ACPI, and VML, to retrieve the energy consumption data for blockchain nodes. And we retrieve the what time data gives us the ability to estimate CO2 emissions for node hardware energy usage, and we publish this data to CO2 storage together with identified information like mine ID, geographical location, the hardware and software inventory. And this allows us to give measurement data, to have measurement data on how much energy and the emission that these blockchain nodes are using, and to be able to provide this data as a supplement to what Filecoin has as the model estimates currently. Okay, so for more information, you can check out the GitHub project, or you can get me on Twitter. So thank you.